Okay, hi. So we're gonna install a InvisibleShield, the HTC Evo. I'm gonna use a lens cleaner and a little airbrush for lens cleaner, kind of to make sure there's no lint on the screen. So we're gonna see what's in here in the package. Okay, this is the shield itself. There's a little tube here with the spray. I'll open it up here, and should be a squeegee in here as well. And the instructions. Of course, move these out of the way here. Okay, so first we're going to clean the screen. Make sure there's no grease on there. From your fingers. So clean it real good. Just make sure there's no fingerprints on there. Okay. You should have cleaned your hands before you start this. Here's a little cloth I'm gonna use. Last time I got some lint on there. So just make sure you brush everything off. No lint on here before you put on here, or any dust on your screen. You want to make sure you put some spray your finger first before you grab the corner so it doesn't stick or you get any fingerprints on here on the sticky side of the shield. Make sure there's no lint on here. You want to spray the film itself. Okay, you just simply put it on there. Get it on there as straight as you can. Once you're happy with the alignment, just a squeegee to get rid of as much of air bubbles as you can. There you go. Use the cloth to dry it off a bit. And you're pretty much set. Any imperfections, they should heal themselves with the self-healing technology of the InvisibleShield. It's pretty easy to install. Any minor bubbles that you have on here will come off by themselves. Pretty easy.